Hi, I am Krishnendu. So today my content is how to increase of your website speed in WPS. So let's start how to improve our website. Okay. So so this is my console WordPress. So first I will go to plugin. Which going on? So my sites now is showing there is a new version of Alchemist and this spam available. So need to update now. So I will update, but not for that time. I will do update later. So I will go add new, search here for short pixel. Yeah, this is short pixel image optimization. I will always use that, but this is old but new is come. Realize WPSG SVG means this is all of the category of short pixel image optimization. So many plugins is there, so I will go with short pixel image optimization. So I will go to install. Install is done now and need to active. So I will go with activate is processing. So it's activated and now showing there already have API key. So asking for API key. So if you don't have a API key, so you will go, please sign up to get your API key. Okay, so click here, you will get this page and you will type here your email ID, get API key. Okay, I have already used this email ID, so I have also have a API key. So if you new user, you can give here your email ID and check this box and get API key. So after clicking, you got a message there for API key. You can copy and paste in here. Okay, or you can also send this API key or by mail also. So one thing I will do, I will see you. This is No, for that time don't have any email ID now. So now you can see this is one email ID, and I check here get API key. Okay, so now you can see here is the API key, or you can also send this API key through this send mail. So if I resend email, so click here, API key automatically send to your respective email ID. So if I go here and add another account, now I log in this email ID, and you can see here short pixel API key. Okay, I'll copy this key, I'll copy this key and paste here. Okay, and validate. So now you can see your API key is validate. So your API key is validated and short pixel plugin is installed successfully. So you can see some of the features here, everything is okay. So now save change, and you can also always do same one thing, lossless, and save change. Okay, it's done. So you can go save and go to bulk process. Otherwise you can go media, bulk short pixel, start optimizing. So you can see here media library, images estimated 52, thumbnails estimate 523. Okay, so calculate total credit need 373 images. So one thing, start bulk optimization. This is media library, process 0, waiting 48, and processing 4, error 0. So you can now see here is the image why I have uploaded in this media for using in website. Okay, so after it's completed, you can see one thing, you can see this is original image and if this is optimizing. Okay, no, this is the best tool because without quality change pixel has been minimized. Okay, so all these images in processing for minimizing. One thing I can tell you, short pixel provide only 100 images every month free, and after 100 images you need to purchase. So if you go short pixel here, you can purchase from here, login. after sign up you can go to login, and after login you can check here pricing rate. Monthly plan, one time credit. Monthly plan, bill it 2 month free. Planning of features. Now you can see 100 emails per month free. Okay, you can see here, and 7,000 images per month, only $3. Okay, I think it's very less. You can go with this. 7,000 images most sufficient. I think you should go with this. And $8 for 16,000 images. This is popular. So if you purchase, get start, and you get your email ID and sign up and come to payment gateway, and you pay credit card, debit card, whatever you pay. So after that you can get access for 7,000 images, whatever you needed of your choice. So it's showing under process, so it's only 90% completed. After 100%, all those images will automatically optimize here, and your website speed comes to upgrade, means increase. Okay, so your website speed will be increased after that. So you can install plugin short pixel. Okay, so thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video, so you should please subscribe my channel, comment and share to all of your friends